Hey everyone, just wanted to give an update on what's going on. As you can see, the Texas heat has finally hit. We don't have much cool weather anymore, but still going strong on Ecto. If you saw a couple of the other videos, I know a lot of people have been asking for tutorials and how-tos on certain things that I've built, and I will be getting to those here very, very soon, I promise. Right now, I'm working on getting this ready to head to the machine shop this coming Friday. This is out of a 1965 Oldsmobile 442. It is a 425 big block, and the pistons are stuck in it. This was actually removed back in the 1990s, and it's set dormant for years. So we're going to breathe some life in this thing and say bye-bye to the Cadillac 390. Doesn't mean I'm getting rid of the motor. I'm going to put it aside. Maybe sometime down the road I'll go ahead and rebuild it. But for now, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get this thing rebuilt and get it put in the car. I am going to have a Turbo 400 that is going to be the transmission for. So yeah, like I said, right now just the pistons are stuck. I've been soaking them, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the forged steel crank out. That's a very expensive crank, so I have to be very careful getting that out. And once get everything else done, the heads, get the block, and I'll go ahead and send the crankshaft in to go ahead and get it worked on. Other than that, we're working over here. I got the seat inside. You can see I got the cam out of the engine over there. But here's the seat. Someone put a seat cover on it. I actually found some change in there from 1975. So that is going to be a little bit of a project coming up. Go ahead, I'm going to strip everything down, and I think I'm just going to reupholster it myself. Why not? So that's pretty much everything that's been going on. I'll take a quick walk around on the roof rack that I've put on the car. It's not mounted just yet, but I'm working on it. I'm also working on making my own Code 3 lenses right now, because finding the blue domes for it has been dang near impossible. So I just decided I'm going to mold them, make them myself. I've had a lot of people interested in if I'd be willing to sell them. I don't know at this moment just yet. I want to go ahead and get a set for myself, and if I feel the quality is right, I might make a limited set of domes for the Code 3 Force XL light bars. But let's walk around that real quick. So I hope everybody's liking the videos. Like I said, I know people have been wanting tutorials on some of the stuff, how I made all that work up there. And in a future video in the next couple of weeks, I'll definitely go ahead and make a video for that, and you guys can go and watch it. Hopefully get some ideas. Thank you guys for following me. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comment section. And yeah, more to come. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos. I finally got my setup done to edit videos, so I will catch you guys on the next video.